This video presents an installation guide for the INNOVANCE 𝗃-125-261L cabinet. The system cabinet weighs 2.7 tons. An on-site foundation is required for installation. The recommended foundation design is shown below. The installation location of the cabinet unit shall comply with the following requirements. On-site installation personnel must carefully read the relevant manuals and ensure they possess the necessary qualifications or certificates before commencing work. During installation, personnel must wear appropriate personal protective equipment. The tools used for this installation process included a screwdriver, a socket wrench, and a claw hammer. The packaging box for INNOVANCE 𝗃-125-261L cabinet. First, use a screwdriver to straighten the metal clips. Then remove the top and side panels following the specific disassembly method. Dismantle the packaging in the order of the top panel followed by the side panels. Remove the screws securing the tray at the bottom of the cabinet. Then peel off the protective film from the cabinet body. This cabinet supports both overhead lifting and forklift handling. The front of the cabinet features indicator lights, an audible and visual alarm, an emergency stop button, and air intake louvers at the bottom. There is a cabinet label and a 4G antenna on the right side of the cabinet. The water firefighting connection is located on the back of the cabinet, with a pressure relief valve positioned above it. Open the cabinet door. The cabinet contains these supplies. From the front, you can see the battery, high voltage box, liquid cooling unit, and PCs of the cabinet. The locations of all cabinet components are shown in the figure. After transporting the cabinet to the installation location with the doors closed, use screws to secure the cabinet to the foundation. When opening the cabinet door, first use a windproof hook to secure the cabinet door and prevent movement. Take the pack power cables out of the cabinet and install them into the 𝗃𝗍𝗂𝗹𝗃 power sockets one by one. Use a cable with a diameter of 35 square millimeters or larger to ground the cabinet, and ensure that the cabinet grounding point is securely installed. Use 70 square millimeters or larger power supply side cables. Pass them through the inlet hole at the bottom of the cabinet. Connect them to the molded case switches in sequence, and secure them firmly. Seal the inlet with fireproof putty. When the cabinet is first installed, the external emergency stop button will be in the triggered state. First, turn the emergency stop button clockwise to return it to its original position. Then, turn on the AC molded case circuit breaker, the cabinet auxiliary power supply switch, and the high voltage box molded case circuit breaker in sequence. The external power indicator light is now on. After waiting approximately 3 minutes and hearing the clicking sound of the relays inside the high voltage cabinet, press the auxiliary power button for the high voltage cabinet. The system has successfully powered up. Ethernet connection. To power down the system, first stop operations using the local web interface or the Alpha Cloud system. Then turn off the cabinet, AC molded case circuit breaker, the auxiliary power button inside the cabinet, the auxiliary power button of the high voltage box, and the high voltage box molded case circuit breaker in sequence. This concludes the instructions. Thank you for watching.